Hey everybody, Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Just got some breaking news here. January the 2nd, 2020, about the Sapphire Princess getting hit by lightning in Indonesian waters. By the way, thank you for subscribing to my channel, giving my video updates thumbs ups. I really appreciate everybody. I love your comments too. Let me tell you what's going on here. The Sapphire Princess was in Indonesian waters when she ran into a pretty severe lightning storm and got hit right at the top of the ship there where the radar assembly is. And I guess the lightning strike was so severe it knocked out all radar and all satellite internet connections. The ship was really hit hard. Now these are just photos that have been around for years and years, showing lightning strikes hitting cruise ships over the years, or hitting nearby cruise ships. This is not an uncommon thing. It's not like it happens on every cruise, but it can happen from time to time. Cruise ships generally, though, don't suffer much in the way of damage. They're fairly well insulated against this kind of thing. However, when you get a lightning strike on the radar assembly, you're going to affect electronics. And if you ever had a tour or have seen photos of what a bridge looks like on a cruise ship, you don't see the big giant steering wheel anymore. You see this. It's all electric. And apparently the two radar systems were both knocked out. Satellite positioning was knocked out, and the ship was not able to sail in the evening. It can only sail in daylight because it cannot see around it during the evening other ships and or obstacles. So the story now is that the ship was on a cruise here, had left Singapore, had been down to Benoa, which is Bali, has come back to the Singapore area, and you can see right here the ship is now anchored right off just outside of Singapore. It's safe where it is, but it's not moving, and they are trying to do repairs to see if they can get the ship either into a port for further repair, or whether they can continue on or not. So the Sapphire Princess future at the moment is not certain. All the electronics, as far as features and water systems and air conditioning systems, the kitchens, everything's working, but the communication systems are what right now are at fault. We're going to have to follow this. I will keep on it as best I can. Hopefully we'll know in the next day or two if the ship can be either towed safely or only move in daylight to a port. Hopefully she can probably go back to the Singapore area and be worked on. We'll stay on the story. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching in the meantime. Thanks for the thumbs ups. We'll see you later, everybody. Bye for now.